Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video that I'm actually officially doing in my new apartment, like beauty video. Like the last time I did a haul and stuff like that, but there was too much background noise. I am hoping and praying that there's not too much background noise in this video because I'm filming with my microphone, so usually it just absorbs my voice, if that makes any sense, and not like surrounding voices and noises. Anyway, enough on that. I feel so out of practice sitting down here in front of you guys. I really do. I actually feel like I have not done this in forever. I usually am doing my vlogs, as you will see from my vlog channel, so it's kind of like a little bit more unpolished, I guess, whereas I'm trying to sit here and trying to have like my hair nice and it's just not working out, and I don't know, trying to present myself well. But anyway, this is as good as it's gonna get. This morning I have so many errands to do today, so I said I would film a favorites for you guys because it's been like a hot minute. I'm not even gonna call this an October favorite or a September favorite because I realized I haven't done like a favorite since like July or August. Mind blown. But it's gonna be just like a recent favorite. Yeah, I just put in a new Invisalign last night. My teeth are really sore, so if I'm lisping a lot, apologies for that. Just my teeth are killing me today. Let's get started and talk about like my most recent favorite. This is an oldie but a goodie. And this is the EX1 foundation. I am doing a review of it today because I realized that in all the years that I've been using this, I've never actually spoken about it, never done a review, first impressions, kind of like wear test or anything like that for you guys. That's what I'm doing today. I have the shade 7.0 and 6.0. 6.0 is the color that I wear now because I'm a little bit paler than I would be obviously in the summer months. Like we're coming into like Christmas time. Can't believe I just said the C word. Anyway, we are coming into the winter months, obviously the cooler months of the year, and I am not as tanned. So 7.0 is what I wear in the summer and have been wearing in the summer. I can even go up to an 8.0 depending on, you know, how tanned I do get. But I'm absolutely loving this foundation. I've loved it for years. I've never spoke about it like properly. I probably featured in favorites over the years, but this is just a fond favorite. Oh my god, can I say favorite one more time? I'm annoying myself. Sorry guys, I'm just so out of practice. I really am. But anyway, the EX1 foundation is bomb.com. Love it. Been wearing it tons. And like anytime that I'm wearing a foundation, you guys are like, your skin looks really nice. It's either one of two foundations lately, but majority of the time it's been the EX1 foundation. It's not like super affordable. It's like 17 euros. So it's not like breaking the bank, but you get my drift. Like it's a good quality foundation. The price kind of matches what you get basically. Another thing I've been loving lately, and this is the other foundation that I would be wearing, is the Makeup Revolution foundation. I love this, guys. Like I really like this foundation. It's like 10 euro. It's super affordable. You get it in Superdrug, and I have a full review of it which I'll link down below. I filmed that like before I moved, so it's a while ago. And I want to apologize just for the consistency on this channel. It's been awful, but I have been over my vlog channel. I'm just trying to like work out the kinks of where to film and all that jazz. I mean, I don't need to explain it to you guys. You kind of get it. And I've been talking about it umpteen times on my vlog channel. But anyway, Makeup Revolution Conceal and Defy Foundation. Unbelievable. I wear the shade F8 and I mix in F12 sometimes if I'm a little bit deeper, just to kind of add a bit of depth to my foundation. A little bit on the light side, that's why I mix in a little bit of F12. I don't know if you can even see that there, but it is just a little tiny tad bit light, and just F12 brings it up a little bit more. So that is all I need to say on that foundation. Question I get asked quite regularly whenever I use this product is, what the hell is it? Where can I get it? What are you using on your face? That's my Mahousive, and it's the beauty sponge from Real Techniques. This is their face and body complexion sponge. Mine is filthy, like filthy. I hate even showing how dirty it is. But this is my new go-to beauty sponge. I absolutely love it because it's so big. It just like takes like 2 seconds around your face. I think I bought this off iHerb. I'll leave a link to where you can get it down below, but I think you can get it in Boots as well, maybe Superdrug as well. It's pretty easy to get your hands on. It's just from Real Techniques, but look at the size of it. Like, it is Mahousive, and it just does the job in next to no time. I love it. Casey Holmes actually introduced me to this, and I haven't looked back since she recommended it. I don't always recommend this for like lighter consistency foundations because it kind of eats the product. It's so big, it just like absorbs it. It's like sucks it all up. But if you are using like a thicker foundation, like especially Marc Jacobs Remarkable, I find that's great with that. Or even those like EX1 foundation or the Makeup Revolution one, which is a little bit thicker of a consistency. It is so good, and it just kind of like applies it really quickly, and I love it. I really do love it. And then the next product I want to talk about is the Nivea Micellair. I am addicted to this. Oh my god, I worked with Nivea again this month, which was just so amazing. I got to do a lot of content with them this month. I also got to be like what's it called, a host to one of their events, and I just really loved working with them this month in particular. Like, it's been one of my favorite months working with them, favorite events. I've loved it. I always love working with them, but it's so great. I'm not sponsored in this video in any means to talk about this product. It's just so good. I actually can't live without this product. This is the Micellair Skin Breathe. This is from their professional range, and it is for face and eyes makeup remover. The smaller one is for the eyes. I love that one as well, but I use this one primarily all the time, like all the time. I even use the wipes, and I have been like, even any of my friends will even be like, why are you using wipes? You're like so against wipes. I'm like, no, but they're like the Nivea wipes, and they're so good. Basically, this is a waterproof makeup remover, but it is also has oils in it and micellar particles that grab onto your, basically your makeup products, and kind of removes them, but it leaves like a not a dry feel, but like it's not greasy and it's not oily and not sticky on your skin. So if you wanted to remove like your eye makeup, because maybe like today I'm going out for dinner tonight, so I will want to remove my eye makeup because it's a bit basic. You can go in obviously with your eye makeup again, but I want to start off with a blank canvas. So I remove my eye makeup, no streaky, oily, greasy feel, and then I go back in with my new eye products, so like my new eyeshadows and stuff, like, and just apply them onto my eye, and it doesn't like grab, or you can't, like, you know the way like if eyeshadows get wet they kind of leave like a dark streak and stuff. It doesn't do that when you use this product. I absolutely love it. I have had so many bottles of these and I've given them away to everyone. Now I'm down to my last one. I'm kind of like, why did I give them all away? Because now I have to go out and buy more of this. But it is so good that I don't mind buying it, obviously, because I think it's great. It's been so long since I did a favorite that I have no idea if I've even talked about this product before, but it's the Essence Matte and Mattifying and Pore Minimizing Primer. It's a black clay primer. I feel like I've talked about this before. I can kind of remember talking about the color and stuff like that, but if I have mentioned it, and I'm mentioning it again, it's just clearly like a favorite. It's this black grey shade, but when you blend it out it goes clear obviously on the skin, and it's just one of the most amazing primers ever. I have it actually on one side of my face because I'm doing like a wear test, but I absolutely love the feel of my skin afterwards. And you know what the funny thing about this is, I haven't seen it in that many Essence counters. Like, it's really hard to get hold of. I got sent this bottle by Essence, so I appreciate that, but I just haven't been able to repurchase it myself. So if anybody has seen it in your local Essence counter or wherever, will you let me know, because I need it. I need another bottle ASAP. I'll keep my eyes peeled for it, but it is amazing and I highly recommend it if you have oily skin like me and you just want to mattify your skin. It's great, or minimize pores, or the appearance of them anyway. Next I want to talk about a concealer that I've used all up. Guys, do you remember when I had this in like a fails video where I was like, I hate that concealer, it's so crap, I don't get it, it's gross, blah blah blah, because I obviously thought like the sponge was so contaminated, and then I was just kind of like, oh, that's really silly. But anyway, I repurchased this maybe a month ago, maybe two. It could be longer ago, and I'm not really particularly sure when I actually purchased this, but I used it all up this month and I've been just loving it the last few months. It's just so good at brightening your under eye. It doesn't crease or cake or anything like that. It just makes my under eyes look really fresh and awake, and I just really enjoy it, and hence why it's all gone. But I remember when I hated you, and now I can't get enough of you. I need to repurchase this because it's really a really good concealer. My lip combo for the last like month, maybe 6 weeks, has been these three products here. So I have been wearing these to death. to death, I tell you. The first product is obviously the lip liner, which is from Rimmel, and this is in tiramisu, or tiramisu, whatever you want to say, tiramisu. And that's just what I've been lining my lips with. I'm wearing it today. I love this lip liner. It's like the most beautiful nudie brown. It's kind of like a more deeper shade than Boldly Bare from MAC. And then the next thing is the lipstick that I've been wearing, which is Kate number 03. I just found this and I hadn't worn it in years, and now it's like my go-to lippy that I've been wearing for like 6 weeks. And then the lip gloss that I wear on top is the Butter Lip Glosses from NYX, and this is in the shade, what are you called? Fortune Cookie. And that is my 3 lip combos, or like the lip combo that I've been wearing for the longest time. So if you've seen me in my vlogs and you've been wondering what's on my lips, it's these 3 products. That's all I've been wearing, loving, just obsessing over. I think they are a great lip combo. Actually, I have one more lip product to talk about. I'll talk about that, and that's the Note Cosmetics lipstick, and this is in the shade Happy Tan. And this got sent out to me, and I had never really tried Note, or it never kind of like spoke to me, the brand, at all. I was just like not really getting it, but then I got this lipstick and now I'm kind of like, I want to try more products from the brand. So it's kind of a little bit lighter than MAC's faux lipstick, and it's matte, and it's just like the most beautiful like nudie matte mauvey kind of shade. I don't even know how to describe it, but it is so beautiful on, and I absolutely adore this. And it's really long lasting. It's not too drying for a matte. I'm not wearing that combo that I showed you already. I would more than likely be wearing that lipstick. Finally, I'm going to move on to eyes. So the first eye product I want to talk about is the new Morphe palettes that they came out with. This is the 35M, or a Boss Mood palette, and when I saw this I was kind of initially like, do I need another eyeshadow palette? But then I dug into it because, guys, look at it. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It has everything I need for my eye color. These are like the colors that make my eyes pop. Purple eyeshadows look amazing on my eye color. I just absolutely adore them. You guys know that purple's like my favorite color ever. Like, I just love it. Even like to wear, I love purple. I just think purple is just a really, really, really lovely color. And the purples in this are gorgeous. The only downside that I do have to it is they've 6 purple shades, but 4 of them are matte. So I kind of have been using this shimmery one, and it doesn't have like a massive amount of glitter in it. It is shimmery, but I find once I kind of blend it out, that shimmery sheen kind of goes away from it and it kind of looks a bit more matte. But it's just not something I would gravitate towards. I wish that this one here, this shade in particular, was matte, because it would just make my life so much easier. And then the greens, which I'm not gonna lie, I actually haven't dipped into the greens too much, but they are just beautiful. Like, they've like a khaki green, and then this kind of like baby puke green, and then these like mossy greens and stuff, and they just look so beautiful. And they are all matte, so I'm gonna like definitely avail of them more. And then also, because I'm like been just wearing like basic neutral eyes, I've been going in with these like light browns here. Sorry, there's like an awful shine off this, but I've been using the light browns here, and then the deeper browns, and then the black, and like some of the oranges and stuff. Like, that's what I'm wearing on my eyes today, just to kind of add a little bit of richness to my look. And then also, I love a black in any eyeshadow palette. It just makes my day. And also, there's a really deep kind of navy purpley shade down here as well, which I really, really like also. I just think this is a great all-rounder palette. And they've got some of them rich reds and kind of like pinky shades in here as well, so they'd be really great for like the winter months. And this shade obviously is like my all-time favorite shade in the whole palette, because it's like a lovely rich purple. So Boss Mood palette, I highly recommend. The quality of the shadows is the same as any Morphe. It's on par with them all. I really like the quality of them. Really easy to blend and work with, and I've never ever had a problem with Morphe shadows, thank god. Last 2 products I want to talk about are eyeliners. The first eyeliner is the one that I'm wearing on my eye waterline today, and this is the Eyeshadow liner. This is their gel eyeliner, and this is just the brown shade. I had an awful ordeal with the black. I basically thought that it was the pairing pencil, like basically you had to pair it, but it's a windy up pencil. So yeah, I learned my lesson. But I just love the color brown that it is. It's just a gorgeous shade. It's really long lasting in the waterline as well. Like, it lasts all day and like all night, and It's just a really good quality. And then the other one is from Colourpop. This is in the shade Honey Dude, which is basically like a nude, and I just kind of put that into my waterline if I'm like just want to open my eyes up and make them look a little bit brighter. The only thing about this is I don't find that it lasts that long in the waterline. It's not the most amazing quality eyeliner, but it is, oh, you probably won't be able to see that because it's just a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but it is great for just applying into the waterline, like I said, just to open up your eyes. However, if you're looking for something a little bit more long lasting, I would stay clear of the Colourpop ones, but the Esquito ones are bomb.com, and the longevity of them is amazing. So anyway guys, that has been my latest favorites, or kind of like my favorites of the moment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really sorry for my absence here. I really am. Like, I actually hate that I've been absent from here, but it's just so unavoidable at the moment, and I'm trying to work on filming areas. If this filming area is okay for you guys, can you let me know? Is the sound okay? Is the picture okay? Is the lighting okay? Because if it is, then I'm happy enough to continue filming here, because I have like my mirror right in front of me and everything's kind of like easy enough to like film here. So if it is, let me know. If it's not, I'll move to a different location and we'll work the kinks out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today. I have lipstick on my teeth. How long has that been there? Probably the whole video. I love you all so much, and thank you for being so patient with me here, and I will have more videos for you guys soon, I promise. Mwah. I love you. Bye.